the 5 S's. Changed my life, makes work a lot more enjoyable, makes the area a lot safer, and it'll make you a lot more productive. Sort, set in motion, standardize, shine, and sustain. Starting with sort, what does that mean? That means go through your workspace, your area, your shop. Anything in that station or that area that doesn't need to be there and is not in current use goes away. The next thing you do is you set in motion, and what that means is you set your areas in your shop and your layout in order. For example, here my table saw is over there, the wood comes in, it hits the table saw first, it comes off the table saw, lands here at the chop station, gets chopped, cut into length, and then moves on to the milling station. So my shop is set in order. The third is to standardize, and this is very, very important. What this is to use, for example, the same screws in every station. As you move or as you go through the station, the same piece of equipment or the same tools or the same screws can be used over and over and over again. The fourth one is shine. Now this is hugely important. How are you going to keep it clean? You got to think about that when you're laying it out and you're setting it up. Are you going to put dust collection in and capture all that? How are you going to get rid of your waste? What are you going to do when it comes time to clean the floor? It makes the place a lot safer and a lot more enjoyable to work in. And number 5, probably the most important, is sustain. You get rolling, you get going, you get busy, filling up with extra tools, extra pieces of wood. You're not going to get rid of this, can't get rid of that. This is something that you have to do on a regular basis. Keep your shop organized and neat and clutter-free. Those are the 5 S's. It's something I learned from a dear friend about 15 years ago. He changed my life because the 5 S's, the idea of living like this, is more than just your workshop. It's your bank account, it's your house, it's your garage, it's your bedroom. Lean towards efficiency so you don't have a lot of waste. And that's the idea of the 5 S's. That's one part of a bigger lean manufacturing philosophy that I will get into later. Number 6 is suds. To make the end of your day a lot more enjoyable.
That was so good. You won't be able to use that.